A year ago in May, we moved into this house and it became our little sanctuary. And we began growing our family here. And we found out about 2 months ago, just after our 1-year anniversary in the home, that the owner was selling and was confused. This feels like we just did this because we basically just did. The guy that brought the pod was actually the same guy that brought our pod last year. Michael's sister and his parents and our brother-in-law and our friends came over and helped us move. So we had to move out with no plan about 4 months before giving birth. It was a very stressful time.
Okay, so when it's at your parents', Kristen,
Have a little carpet.
we can put a hammock and I'll just sleep out there.
Yeah.
Done deal.
We did it.
We did it.
Look at, you guys, we have room to spare. And this is not a beer, by the way. This is not a beer. Room to spare. And we're like, dude, we could totally hang out in here. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, I did all this.
Kristen did all of this,
Lots of
24
sitting.
weeks pregnant.
25 weeks.
25. Oh my gosh.
Lots of sitting. Actually, I was moving a lot today. I didn't
Yeah.
film. I don't think I filmed any of me moving. So you don't even
No, I took a
know-
time lapse.
Okay.
Yeah.
That I was doing anything.
You're here.
I'm here though.
Yeah. Crazy that your entire life can like fit in a container. You know? Like everything that you own is just in a container.
I mean, there's a bunch of stuff in the house, but it would have fit in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd like to not do this again. Love you. Love you. Thank you.
Yeah. This is living. I'm set up right here.
We are all done for the day. We still have 5 more days here. So we're gonna hang out here for a couple more nights on these air mattresses. Michael thinks I'm gonna sleep on these at 25 weeks pregnant. But we're gonna take a little break, watch Ryan Trahan. We've been watching every single day. If you don't know, now you do. Watch it. He's raising money for St. Jude's Children's Hospital, and he's posting every day for the next 50 days at Airbnbs. We posted about it on our story. Are you choking now? You just said you were living the dream. So just wanted to shout that out because it's a really good cause and it's Airbnb related. So we're gonna take our little siesta, watch some Ryan, take a nap, and regroup. Finn's stoked on it. Look at this setup. Good. Today is about our last day in the house. It is literally bare bones. We're working from here. We still have internet. Bump is bumping. The pod movers are coming. The cleaners are coming. We have an AC repairman coming literally 3 days before we move out. We haven't had AC in over a month and a half. We have had AC because thank God Michael and I have minor hoarder tendencies from his mom and my dad. So we kept our AC units from the Seventh Ray House renovations when we had a friend give us theirs and another friend give us theirs. And then Michael actually bought a wall banger for his office in the back. So we have not three, we only have the 2 here, but that's all we've had, and a fan. So it's been the hottest it's been all year over this week while moving. And that's the conditions that we've been put in. Anyway, so hopefully the AC repairman will be here so that the cleaning crew won't be sweating profusely later, because right now, although it is cloudy outside, it is going to be a scorcher. And when you're moving and cleaning, you don't want to be not in AC at least. So hopefully that will get fixed in the next couple hours before they get here at 11. Pod's supposed to be moved between 9 and noon. It's just a lot, isn't it, bud? It's a lot, and he is so confused. We can't leave him at my parents' house because my dad leaves doors open and gates open, and little man is so little. So we just have to keep him safe. So we keep bringing him back and forth with us, and I think he's just confused. We will get comfortable. We will get settled. Last night was our first night out of the house here and staying with my parents, and it went pretty well. We snuck out this morning before anyone was awake and came here to work. We still have our Wi-Fi intact for the next 2 days, so we're gonna take advantage of that and just work at our little setup. And we literally just have like a few boxes. The rest of the house is completely empty. It feels like not that long ago that we were moving into this place, because it wasn't that long ago. And actually our pod mover was the mover that moved us here. I was like, that guy looks really familiar. And Michael goes, yeah, because it's the same guy. Oh man, all right.
What'd you say?
There goes our life savings.
Our
once
life
again.
savings. Just all of our belongings. Just hanging by 4 chains. Tiniest deadbolt.
The tiniest lock.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful time, but the door is closed.
We have a lot of memories here in the short year that we were here, but I think that it's time for us to figure out what's next for us. And I don't know, I want to look at it as like what is this trying to teach us? Like, what is this pushing us towards? You know, like maybe we would have just got comfortable here and not like pushed a little further to our goals and dreams and everything. You know?
Yeah.
So I think it was good though. Right, fan? Yeah.
We didn't share this house too much with everybody, but
No.
it was more our sanctuary this last year, just trying to regroup and yeah, create our little family.
Ben, do you want to go to Grandma and Grandpa's? Oh, you do? You want to go back there? Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, this one sings.
I would. There you go. You got it.
And it'll level down, be all smooth, and then we can have a much better floor. How about that?
Is that for your channel?
Huh?
Is that for your channel?
No, yeah, you know how many followers I have?
How many?
1.
Hey, I'd follow you.
Me.
No, there's somebody else that followed.
Hey, it looks pretty good. Looks like somebody dumped chocolate all over the floor.
Chocolate pudding.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it looked like. I'm hungry for chocolate pudding, man.
So now we wait, right?
Yeah, now we wait. Tomorrow I'll put that orange stuff down.
Okay. It is like July 6th, I believe, and it is 8 p.m. This is the start of the journey of this week, but there's just something I wanted to document for you guys. I have a car full, and unfortunately, I am solo today because there's a handful of things that Kristen needed to be home for. One of those is turning in our keys to our rental that we just had to vacate. Hold on, I'm gonna run this yellow light. So tomorrow, Kristen has to go at 8 a.m. She has to go and turn in our keys and close out the lease of our rental that we just finished cleaning up out of, which makes us so sad, but it is what it is. And we are moving forward from that sadness and on to bigger and better things. But we have a project that we've been wanting to do for a while, and I'm going to try and accomplish solo this week. It is July, and it is almost 100 degrees out in the desert. And I'm kind of not looking forward to this, but I'm gonna work in the mornings and at night so I can avoid the heat. But what I just had to do, Kristen's dad, as you know, he has dementia. One of the symptoms of having dementia is like he gets confused really easily. So I carried in a TV that's for Kristen's aunt. And I was like, oh, I need to take this to her. This is for Robin. I need to take it to her eventually. And he thought that meant we were going somewhere tonight. So he got his like bag ready. He got like a bunch of stuff ready. That ensued us like having to play this game of like, oh, we're not going anywhere, as I secretly like packed up my car and I secretly like went to the grocery store and got groceries, and I had to sneak out the side door and get on the road because I want to get there by 10 o'clock, and also I didn't want him to think I was leaving. So just a lot of that right now. So far it's only been like a weekend that we've been staying with them, and it's not easy, but that's what we have to deal with. I just feel like if there's anybody that's dealt with parents, as I know there's a bunch of you out there that have, like, it's not fun and you have to do that. And I don't like lying, so it feels wrong to me, like I'm sneaking and like lying. But it's got a 2-hour drive, so let's get into it. It's a beautiful time of year to be out there. I love it. This drive is gonna be pretty, so let's go. So I came back here to test to make sure the sprinklers are working back here. And I just noticed that I thought this cactus, this side was still alive. Like this side's still alive, but this side is definitely dead. But look that's not the case. We have a new sprout out of the dead stump on this cactus, and I'm so excited to see if it can start growing, because then I can like cut it right there and it'll start just going up. And I'm so excited because I really love this cactus and I want it to thrive. I got a decent start this morning. I got all of those stones pulled up and I've started to level out this area right here. So I think I'm gonna go like a nice kind of even kind of circle right here. And I'll do that tonight when the sun starts to go down. Make it all level and nice because we have some supplies coming, because this area has needed some love for a while. Yeah, got up at like 5, meditated, got to work at 5:30. It's starting to get like really hot. And I have to work. We're doing the 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. and then probably like 5 or 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun little project. So excited to see how it turns out. So stay tuned. So it is now, what is it, 6:30? 6:45 p.m. The sun still has like another hour before it goes down, and it is still 92 degrees outside. The wind has picked up significantly, and I really need to get this project done. I had to work the whole day, so I've just been working, and then I just took a little nap, and I am ready to get back at it. Oh man, I really don't, it's so nice and cool inside. I need to go out and prep this because there will be a delivery tomorrow morning. So I need to just get all of this ready. So I think I'm just gonna suck it up and go outside and try and finish what I started this morning. I'm moving dirt around, but luckily the wind's blowing, so all like the dust goes away. Gear myself up for this, you know? There's that Nicolas Cage in Gone in 60 Seconds. He's like, let's go. You know, that's what I'm doing. It's this. Let's go.
You scared me.